In this video, I'm going to be going over a few of the problems from our math practice last week, learning about area and perimeter. So just a quick tip, I'm going to be going over page 207 in your student book, page 207. If you don't already have your student book out and open to that page, pause this video and go get it. And if you have your work on a piece of paper or a notebook or somewhere else, make sure you go get it and then come right back. Okay, so as a reminder, last week we learned about area and perimeter. Area is the total number of square units needed to cover a two-dimensional surface. So if we look at the picture up here, the area of this rectangle is the number of square units needed to cover the surface on the inside of that shape. The area of this polygon, this shape right here, is the number of square units needed to cover that surface. The area of this array right here is the number of square units needed to cover the surface of this rectangle. We also reviewed perimeter. Perimeter is the distance in linear units around a two-dimensional or flat figure. So in class you might remember we practiced thinking of perimeter like this. Perimeter, right? Perimeter is the distance in linear units around a flat figure, right? So the perimeter of that array, you could count the linear units around the outside. The perimeter of this triangle is the distance around the triangle, and the perimeter of this polygon is the distance around the polygon. Now that we've reminded ourselves of what is area and what is perimeter, let's take a look at some of the problems. All right. So this is from page 207. This is number 1A. So to find the perimeter of this array, we need to find the distance around the array. So I'm going to grab my little pointer. So we know that the length of this side is 4. It's labeled. Let's keep going around. What's the length of this side? Yeah, the length of this side, I'm going to write it in here, is 5, because this side and this side, actually I'm going to do that with my cool pointer. This side and this side, those lengths are equal because this is a rectangle. All right, we're going to keep going around. So we have found the distance from here to here to here. What's the length of that side? Yeah, that side is 4 units long because it is the same length. This side is the same length as this side. All right, so we've done 4 plus 5 plus 4 plus, yep, you got it, 5. When I look at this, I like to think of it as 9 plus 9, so we'll go ahead and do that. The perimeter of this shape is 18. Now we need to find the area. Let's remember the area is the total number of square units needed to cover a two-dimensional surface. The total number of square units. Well, I could count them. I could count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but we know how to do this a lot faster. We know about multiplication. There are, let's see, 1 row of 5, 2 rows of 5, 3 rows of 5, 4 rows of 5 here. Or, you know, it's labeled. The height is 4 and the width is 5. That's another way to know that this is 4 rows of 5. Well, 4 rows of 5, that's 20. 5, 10, 15, 20. 20 square units. All right, let's do another one. We're going to go a little faster now. Okay, to find the perimeter of this shape, we are going to add 3 plus, say it with me, 6 plus 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6 plus 3 plus 6. Let's see, 3 plus 6 is 9. Hey, it's 18 again. All right, to find the area of this shape, we need to multiply the height by the width. 3 rows of 6. Let's see, that is, 2 rows of 6, right? Double 6 is 12, plus another row of 6. 12 plus 6 is 18 square units. All right, let's do another one. All right, perimeter. Here we go. Say it with me. 2 plus 7 plus 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7 plus 2 plus 7. That'll give us the distance around this array, this rectangle. There is something going on here. The perimeter is 18 again. That's kind of cool, isn't it? All right, the area of this shape, we've got 2 rows of 7, or 2 times 7. That's a nice doubles fact. 7 plus 7 is 14, and so is 2 groups of 7. That's also 14, and these are square units, right? So remember, when you are finding the area of a shape, the area is the total number of square units needed to cover the surface of that shape. And when you are finding the perimeter of a shape, you're finding the distance in linear units around the two-dimensional figure, the distance around the shape. All right, I hope that helps. Come back and watch my video to go through number 2 on this page, that tricky problem.